Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, you don't know this is the skiller. You see, now this is an update on the whole robbery where they take place in a MAYPEN, that are the place where they call me in guinep tree, in a MAYPEN Clarendon, on Sunday, the 26th of May. You see? Now, the first thing we want to talk about is are the police officers them will get injured. You see me? One of the police officers will get injured and then in a hospital or go through treatment. Couldn't get a CT scan because there was no payment to the hospital. Remember now, this is a police officer. He's supposed to have insurance and all these things cover, working for the government in case he get injured or suppose him lose his life. You see me I say? So the family would have get take care of all these things. You see? The only time, and this is how that police officer get the CT scan done to it, because him get shot in the abdomen and fractured the leg. You see me? About 3 bullets him get. But you know how him get the CT scan done? It's when a businessman take the money out of him pocket and pay for it. So me I wonder, because that's the story what we get. You see me? That's the report what we get what really happened. You see me? The other police officer will get shot. Him get a shot in him chin and somewhere else, but him release. You see me? It's severe, but it kind of minor, different from the other man. We really need the urgent thing. You see? Now, when it comes on to the robbery where it take place in a MAYPEN, right? The Minister of Security, you know, Dr. Horace Chung, said that the security force is well prepared now to meet these men. You see me? Because you don't see what go on a MAYPEN. You see, the man them did a travel with that thing when named bomb stock magazine. That means that the magazine a fire 100 rounds in a man. You see? So, and not only that, you know, it's like you have tactical trainers where in the security force are ex-persons from the security force are the Jamaica Defense Forces. Like them basically imply, them now assume, now them are confirm say these men are ex-police, but it's like them attack as if them want to say, yo, to all these men move, they move like them have the training of police or ex-police officers or so forth. You see? So remember, they are not saying it, but it's like them must say the man them is well trained, they are well oiled machines. You see? One of the things is that we notice about them is that these men move calm in the situation, and it's like the man them have a sense of how long it will take for the police them to arrive when they call for backup. You see, but when you check it out, which part the shooting that take place, the police station not even the 5 minutes, not 10 minutes from that same place, you know. But you don't know, anyways, you see me, because we don't know MAYPEN police station supposed to be close. You see? So anyways, now about the Chinese who then kidnap, them only kidnap them temporarily. You see me? They only kidnap them just to make an escape, right? So basically, you know, so it's like them throw them way down the road somewhere when time them reach a certain distance. It's just to make the escape. But upon trying to make them escape still, it's like them crash. So the police them discover 2 of the getaway car them with 1 shotgun and 2 magazine and couple rounds with about $500,000 in it. You see me? But they can't determine the amount of money where them really make off with. You see me? But them say them find 500,000 Jamaican dollars. You see it? Or altogether money. We don't know if it's US or what. You see? Yeah, man. So that are the whole thing where really and truly the update for the whole thing will really take place in a MAYPEN. You see me I say? And you know, as me say, them say a big manhunt are going right now, so them a search for these men will pull off this whole heist. You see me I say? But you don't know, me I'm gonna keep up to date and I'm gonna see what go on. So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comment, let me know what you think. My name is Skilla and this is the Dancehall Skilla ENT. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?